Hi, you guys. This is Captain Kevin Overstreet with Slater Bay Fishing Charters. I'm here to show you guys an amazing product. Absolute game changer. Saves your hub, saves your spindle, saves your axle, saves you money, saves you time, headache, you name it. It is a must-have, easy to install. If I can do it, anyone can do it. I'll show you how. Installation is very easy. Take the hub saver, put it on like your washer, like that. Now, get your nut, spindle nut, and just apply over. Tighten down. Now, once you got your hub nut tight, just make sure it's not shaky, your hub. Everything's lined up. Put your key in. Bend your key and tighten it up. Lock it in. Installation is complete, you guys. It's that easy. Get yourself a hub saver. This is the last one that I had. Yes, I wore it out, but I saved my spindle. In return, I saved my whole entire axle. This one product, $40, you get 2 of them for each side. Saved me $500, easy. Get yourself a hub saver.